How to hide header menu only in the product page in Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is very simple, so just follow along the video and you should get it done. So right now we see this header menu here on the top. We simply just want to remove it as soon as we enter a product page. So let's just go and get to it. So all you need to do is just log into your Shopify admin, click on the three dots right next to your edit theme, and click on edit code. Now you simply just want to go to the top here and search for theme.liquid and open it up. And now you simply just want to go ahead and do Control F and look up header. So you're going to basically find this right here. So let me just exit out of this. This is going to be the one that we are going to be looking for. So sections, header dash group. It may say header only, but anyways, it's going to be sections, header, group, most likely. So this is going to be where we want to alter things a little bit. It's not going to be difficult, I promise. Okay, so what I need you to do is go down to the description and you should be able to find this code here. So basically, we want it to look something like this now. So what we want to do is just go to line 1, copy this, just simply Control C to copy, and go back to your Shopify theme code editor. And basically all we need to do is just click right behind this line, hit enter to create some space on top, go on top and just paste it in here. Okay, so that's step number 1. Step number 2, go back to these sections header and make a line underneath it like so. Just hit enter, basically click on the last line and hit enter. You should have a space underneath. Go back to the code and copy the last line like so. So just copy this. We don't really need this. This is basically what we have in our store already. So just first use this and put it on top, and then this on its, right below it. So again, we just go back here and paste in the last line underneath. It's going to look something like this. And we simply just want to click on save. And that's pretty much all we need to do. So let me just go and view our store. Let's just view our store and see whether it's going to work or not. So I'm just going to go to online store, view your online store. And now we should be able to find that the menu is going to be there for us because this is the main home page, sorry. But if you click on any product, it's going to disappear right away and the header is no longer available. Well, what people can do is just scroll down to the bottom. If I just hide this annoying bar, people can actually just go back to the home page by clicking on my store here at the bottom. But anyways, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.